we have extensively used event display. So let's first start with a macro where I have a pp collisions generated by Pythia, and I try to visualize the event display. So let's first run it. So first need to compile the macro, and then I can run the event display. So I configure for pp13teb. So first setting is ongoing, then it will generate the events and you will see the event display. So you can see that the event display window is open. So you have the here 3D view. You can see the detectors 3D view, and we can see the different radii. These are the detector layers which we usually have in the experiment. So I created these layers, and you can see the 3 layers, and then you have 2 large radius layers, and also you have, this is the R5 view and this is the RZ view. So also you have the tracks embedded which are generated in the simulation. You can also see the which types of tracks it has, what is the PT of that, and you can configure these all information according to your need. So these are the realistic pp collisions. For example, this track is the pion track where pdg code is 211, and you can configure according to yours. So this particular you can also zoom is by mouse rotating button, and also if you want to zoom it, you can also zoom it. In addition, there are several things also you can do it. For this particular, I configure for magnetic field of 3 Tesla. So you can see also the curvature of the charge tracks. So this simulation, you also can see the geometry with details, like in the geometry you can see the different layers if you want to see. Then we have the tracks generated in the collisions. For example, protons I shown by the blue color, and then for the pions is by the yellow color, and then the magenta is used for the kaon. And this is all we have configured like that. So in the realistic experiment, when we are designing the detector, we can also put the hit points, Monte Carlo points, these all things we can superimpose it, and we can also generate the more detailed geometry, pixels, etc., so that we can exactly locate when something is going wrong with the track. We can exactly locate what is going on at the level of pixels, etc. These all information can be visualized here. So now next, if we want to generate the next events, so you have to event control, then you can generate the other events. So you can see that there is a beautiful event display which we also see in many experiments. If you go to the online, you search the event display for many experiments like star, Alice, you will find these types of images. So this is pp13 collision 13tb. I generated only charge particles, final state particles. So you can see that many events by clicking it. So these are generating many events. So this is what I want to point it out in the event display. Another thing, you can also add many things here. If you want to add many informations related to geometry, or if you want to add some more detailed PID detailed tracks information, these all things can be added here.